So this morning we've done a little swap around for the turkeys. The Christmas turkeys have gone in the bigger enclosure, and Mum, Dad and baby have come into the slightly smaller enclosure for a little while. They seem to have settled okay. They weren't very happy to start with. As you can see, Terry is all puffed up, strutting his stuff. Aren't you, Terry? Yes, I know. Where's the baby? Bets, where's the baby? There she is. Come on, guys. Out of the way. There she is, growing away. And you can see the other ones are all the other side now. Very intrigued by the little friend. Hey Terry, what you doing? So that's the little update. It is very wet and soggy down here today. We had torrential rain this morning during the hay delivery, but everyone's happy at the moment. So that is today's little update.